January 28th, 2021, practice number 3. So we are going to color code, woohoo! Drag the color circle that represents if the statement is a positive integer, a negative integer, or at 0. So the first one, 10 degrees below 0. So if we're below 0, that means we're going to be negative. We're going to be below 0, so negative. So we're going to take that one of these negatives and we're going to drag it to the first circle. All right, if you earned $10, you're earning money. Positive, you're going to get positive money. How about if you're 200 feet below sea level? Again, if you're below sea level, we're going to be in the negative. What if we spent $80? If you spent $80, you're minus that money. So you're going to be negative. If you're 500 feet above sea level, so if you're above sea level, you're going to be positive. You're going to be smooth sailing. Let's take a look down here. If you're at sea level, so you're not above, you're not below, you're at sea level. You're actually going to be at 0. So if you're at sea level, you're going to be at 0. All right, what if you climbed up 300 feet? Well, we go up 300 feet. That's going to be positive. Now, what about a depth of 30 feet? So depth means deep. So if you go deep 30 feet, down 30 feet, that is going to be a negative, a depth of 30 feet. All right, how about a price drop? Price dropped $8. So if it dropped, it's going to be in the negatives. And that is going to be it for our color code practice 3. Great job.